Okay guys, so we left off just a moment ago with my first Deltamath helping you out video. Now I'm hoping the second one, which is only on powers to powers, isn't going to be hiding anything new for us. So if we take this problem we were looking at. This is the same one you saw pop up just a minute ago. What I'm essentially going to be doing is I want to take and I'm multiplying. Let me get rid of that for a second. I'm going to be multiplying every power inside these parentheses by this power here. It's basically acting like, I'm going to get sorry, my brain skipped a beat for a second. I'm going to get all of these things carried out. So -4 to the 4th. It was in parentheses, so we're going to act like it still is in parentheses. X to the 12th, because 3 times 4 is 12. And y to the 5th is going to be to that 4th, so I'm still going to have my base of y. And 4 times 5 is 20. Now, the one thing I'm seeing here is my directions. They say fully simplify. In this case, I think I do have to use that exponent of 4, which gives me, let's see, 4, 16, 64, 256. And so that's going to be a 256. And things to note, fun little factoid. If the exponent on a negative number is odd, the answer will be negative. If the exponent is even on a base negative, the answer will be positive. Because think about it, a negative times a negative. So if I have two negatives doing math, negative times a negative is a positive. Then I'm going to throw in there that I have a third negative. So negative times negative made a positive, times a third negative makes it negative again. And then I toss in that fourth negative. So it was negative after the third negative. The fourth negative is going to make it positive again. So it's actually going to be a positive 256 with an x to the 12th and a y to the 20th. If I am interpreting Deltamath wrong, you'll get the mark, may get marked wrong and have the whole problem blow up in my face. I'm honestly surprised I've done this many in a row without messing something up. Oh, I almost messed up with my y again, just like last video. I didn't tap right to get out of the exponent, and that's y to the 20th. Submit this answer. Do I want this to be my answer? Yes. Hey, I'm right. Woohoo! You can see even Deltamath left that 4 in parentheses. So here, I'm looking at the same stuff again. The idea is pretty straightforward. Do the same thing we just did. So I'm going to go, okay, that exponent of 1 on the 3 times this 2 out here. That's a -3 in parentheses squared. And that x to the, I'm going to leave my x base alone, but I'm going to go 2 times its exponent of 4 is 8. And y has the same exponent of 4 times that 2 for an 8 as well. And so you're going to see, hey, that -3 times -3, a negative times a negative is positive, 3 times 3 is 9, so it's a positive 9. 9x to the 8th, y to the 8th. Where was I? Right, x to the 8th. I hit right to get out of the exponent this time. Y to the 8th. Submit answer. Yes. Cool. And one last one. All right. And for this activity, I'm seeing some bigger exponents kick out. Like we might have to deal with a exponent of 5 on I3 here. There are calculators on my cart at the front of the room. If you guys put this note also in the posting on Schoology, you will be welcome to go ahead and the calculators in the cart, they're in plastic containers on a shelf in the middle. You're welcome to take them, use them, put them back. I have all the cases full. I'm giving you guys a privilege and a loan here. You're welcome to borrow them. You can also use your own calculators because some of these exponents are going to be bigger, and I doubt, I'll be the guinea pig and find out, I doubt Deltamath would accept 3 to the 5th power here. But let's find out. But when you guys borrow the calculators, please make sure you put them back and just leave them on top of my cart for the next class. So this 3 and this x both have an exponent of 1. So 5 times the exponent of 1 on the 3. I have 3 to the 5th power. X to the 1 times 5 is 5. And y already has a 5. So I'm just going to go 5 times 5 is 25. And so y to the 25th. All right, 3 to the 5th, let's see. 3 to the 4th I know is 81. I'm cheating because I know 3 squared is 9 and 9 times 9 is 81. So 3 to the 4th is 81. So that'd be 243. Oh, but I'm going to do it 3 to the 5th. So let's see what happens if I use 3 to the 5th. I'm pretty sure Deltamath will mark me wrong. And it'll basically be because I didn't fully simplify and use the exponent, or because my directions to you guys has always been leave the exponent b when it gets bigger. Deltamath is not giving you that same direction. So I'm willing to bet this will get marked wrong. Yep. Right here, it says I'm marked wrong. You can see the big X. We've all seen it before. Raise the number to the power. I did not raise 3 to the 5th and get 243. My answer just left it as 3 to the 5th. So that's why my answer is wrong. So it's exactly what we expect. You've got to do the exponents. That's that, guys. This is pretty much everything you're going to be responsible for. You're welcome to have any notes you need, any notes you want. Please take time. Help each other. Be thorough in your notes. Help each other make notes. Help each other out if you're stuck in class. Feel free to email me questions. I will put my email in the Schoology post. So I'm going to make kind of your classwork for the next few days. You'll have 2 days. Please finish up your Deltamath and watch the videos as needed. Good luck, guys. I'm not going to be in the rest of the week, so I'll see you when I see you. So for most of us, that'll be 12 days. My algebra people, I don't know if I'll be back Monday. You'll know if there's a post in Schoology. So be well. Don't stress it, guys. You'll see me soon enough. You're not rid of me. Just life went kerfluffle real quick. Where's the pause recording button? I'm done. Oh, there it is. Okay, bye.